Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Chani Singh, and in today's video I'm going to share some amazing linking words for your essay writing. But before that, we really need to know what are these linking words in case we don't know, and why are they so important for your essay. Okay, see, linking word, as it is already clear from the name itself, are the words that show link between your different points or your different ideas of an essay. So it is very important to show an appropriate relationship between your points. Therefore, we must use appropriate linking words. How? I'll just give you an example. For example, you are going to write the advantages of technology, advantages and disadvantages of technology. So it's important that you show a link throughout your essay. You show a link in order to state that your entire essay is connected. What you will do, you can start your first advantage by writing initially or firstly, and then you can continue by using other linking words like secondly, moving further, or lastly, or similarly. So these are the linking words that show show connection between your different ideas. But what if you now want to move on disadvantages? In the first half of essay you have written about your advantages, and then you want to write about your disadvantages. So you cannot use linking words like similarly or moving further here. Instead, you should show a contrast between two different points. For example, you can start your paragraph by writing on the opposite hand or on the contrary. Now, on the contrary means in contrast to. So this is how correct linking words must be used in order to show correct, appropriate relationship between your different ideas or your different points. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you some less commonly used linking words that can boost your band score in your final exam. So what I have done is, to simplify things, I have just categorized these linking words into different groups. The first group is expressing personal opinion. In case of introduction, you have to write your personal opinion. That is the thesis statement. So how you write is, in my opinion. In my opinion, technology has more benefits as compared to disadvantages. So what are other linking words that you can use instead of in my opinion? First option is, I must admit that. I must admit that dash, or I cannot deny the fact that dash, or it is undeniable that. I cannot deny the fact, or it is undeniable that. Third way of writing the same sentences, as far as I am concerned, or in my experience. And in case you want to give a very strong opinion, you can write I'm convinced that, which means I'm sure that. I'll give you an example. Instead of writing, in my opinion, technology has more benefits as compared to its disadvantages, we can write in a way, I'm convinced that technology has benefited human race in miscellaneous ways, though its detrimental effect cannot be neglected. I repeat, I'm convinced that technology has benefited human race in miscellaneous ways. Miscellaneous means different ways, number of ways, many ways. Though its detrimental effect, detrimental means negative effect, cannot be neglected. So this is the way to write a complex sentence. And when you write a complex sentence, examiner will have to give you 8+ bands. Okay, so moving on, the next category, that is proving your arguments. In case you have to prove your arguments while writing your essay, in what way you can start your sentence? Here are a few examples. To attest, that means to prove. This fact is attested by, or this fact is testified by. This is evidenced by, this is endorsed by, or this establishes that, dash. I'll give you an example. Consuming moderate amounts of sweets can be good for health. This is evidenced by a number of cases when people improved their health by eating chocolates. So this is how you can highlight your argument beautifully. This is evidenced by, that means we have a proof for it. Okay, so moving further. Yes, how to outline your facts. outlining facts means suppose that somewhere in the middle of your paragraph you want to write something really important. You want that your examiner must read this point carefully or should give extra emphasis on this point. So how you can start that sentence? It is obvious that dash, or the fact is that dash. I'll give you an example. It is obvious that human interference has resulted in reduced forest area worldwide. Or you can, another way of writing the same point is, the fact is that wildlife is in danger due to excessive human interference. So instead of simply writing wildlife is in danger, you can connect a linking word that shows that something important is written here. So definitely your examiner, your reader is surely going to read this clearly and carefully. So this is how you can outline some important facts somewhere, any fact that you have written somewhere in the middle of your paragraph. You can use these linking words to highlight those points. Moving on, how to give an example. See, what students do is they generally skip writing an example, but it is mandatory to write an example in your essay, otherwise your essay is considered incomplete. Also, in the end of the statement, in the end of the essay statement, it is always written, give a relevant example out of your experience. So therefore, it is very important to write an example. So how to start writing an example? Generally, students write for example. Instead of writing for example, you can start your line by writing for instance, comma, dash. It also means for example, but it is less commonly used. Another way of starting your example is, a good illustration of this is dash. Example is, for instance, a recent survey accounted for reduced number of diabetic patients, which resulted from increased health awareness camps amid rural India. I repeat, for instance, a recent survey accounted for reduced number of diabetic patients, which resulted from increased health awareness camps amid rural India. So this is how you can write your example. Last category is conclusion. Now conclusion means the last paragraph of your essay. So you usually start your last paragraph by writing to conclude or in conclusion. So instead of that, I have better words for you, like to summarize, comma, dash, or on balance, comma, dash, or the last option is taking everything into consideration, dash. So these are three different ways you can start your conclusion with: to summarize, or on balance, or taking everything into consideration. So this is how you can use appropriate linking words in order to show appropriate relationship between your different ideas. And it is very important to use linking words. Use good linking words to gain more bands. This is all about today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. Do like this video if it was helpful for you, and you can leave comments in case you have any queries. If you want me to make a video on any particular topic, you can write it down in the comment section below, or you can write us at sanergy.education7@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.